Hey guys, welcome back to codingbootcamps.com. This is Introduction to Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB. I'm very excited that you have completed this course and I wish you all the best on building web applications, the API applications using Express.js, Node.js and MongoDB. I think you have covered the most fundamental aspects of the mean stack that I was talking about. Uh, so the mean stack is Mongo, Express, Angular, and Node. So apart from Angular, you have covered all of the three technologies. So kudos. In this course, we covered the basic refresher and installation. So the refresher was about the fundamental concepts of JavaScript. So we covered the core concepts, including the functions, arrays, and how to manipulate the data, as well as installation of Node.js on our local systems. We understood the introduction to Node.js by understanding what Node.js is and by understanding what Node Package Manager is and how you can have different package dependencies within your application. After which we covered the framework of Node.js, which is Express.js, in which we understood the routing, the middlewares, and how to create database connectivity and how to make sure we handle the errors correctly. After which we learned how to set up MongoDB on the cloud service that MongoDB provides, which is called MongoDB Atlas, and we connected that application, that cloud application, to our Express application, which was very fun to do that, to be honest. It's very interesting that you have built a cloud application connection with your local system, right? And you're accessing the data that is actually stored in the cloud. So that was pretty exciting. And we implemented this by working on some projects. So the first project we built was a simple RESTful API application, which was built using Express and MongoDB. So we created a personal record for a company, and where we actually stored the information in the database and we retrieved that information back. Okay. In the project 2, we built a user authentication system using MongoDB as well as Express.js. And in the third project, we implemented the same user authentication system, but with Express.js and SQL. So congratulations on having this class finished successfully. And I hope you take the front-end classes, most especially the Angular and React classes, so that you are pretty well versed with the mean stack or the merge stack. Okay, so that way you can claim to be a full stack web developer. And there are a lot of job openings for full stack web developer at the moment. There have been for quite some time, and it is very hard to find good full stack web developers, and you can be one of them. Make sure you follow us on social media platforms to get updates on my latest classes as well as other classes. So thank you and have a good day.